Hello everyone from Riyadh. I'm driving to Darsin restaurant. Actually, I'm going there because once I went there for dinner, I ordered an additional tea which I forgot to pay for. The original order was paid, but this additional thing, I have to pay for that. So join me along as I drive over there and maybe I'll get another tea. So I'm reversing, and when actually I was putting on the map, it was showing that it's 13 kilometers and it will take some 15 minutes. So that seems convenient. Let's see if that turns out to be the case. Oh, it's 20 minutes now. So that is actually a lot, but no worries. We will go there, and we are going with a purpose, and the purpose is to actually pay for the tea that I forgot to pay for. But anyways, I think we should no, there's not much gap to go from here. We should go straight and then we'll see. So we'll have to go through the traffic light. These are the scenes in Riyadh. We just passed our Dunkin'. I actually came here once. And on our right is Lorenzo Pizza. I just had Lorenzo Pizza today afternoon at work. It was good actually. So well, the map today seems a bit off and it's showing me actually 2-3 routes, but I'm not sure which one I should take, or should I go straight and then okay, let's see. I guess we'll just follow the map then. Because the alternate routes is showing is have like more delays, so we'll just go from here and follow the map. While coming here, actually after work, I was coming to the Saudi German hospital for a dental appointment, and the map was showing some crazy sort of route, but I didn't go for that. And it saved me a lot of time. And now we are seeing if we have to follow the map or should we just go our own way. On our right is the Saudi Ministry of Media. Okay, so we are going to follow the map because if we see inside, there's a lot of traffic. You see down the ramp, there was quite some traffic. So, and we are driving on King Fahad Road. It's like the center line of the wonderful city of Riyadh. Drive safe, everyone, drive safe. Al Romancia is on our right, one of the most amazing and tasty restaurants here in Riyadh. Arabian Oud on the right. Nothing comes close to Arabian Oud. So let us see if the map leads us to our destination without delays and also without any inconveniences. So we turn right from here. let us take a right. Actually there's some construction going on, so maybe we should go from the other road. That was a shortcut, but since there's some construction vehicles over there, so it's better not to take risk when you are near heavy equipment. But since we have to go from here, so you see there's traffic and it's congested. No worries. We shall go from here. What do they have inside this green mesh? Seems like cement. And on the right of your screen you will be able to see the magnificent King Abdullah Financial District. So let's see if the map will save us time. Let's see. So everyone is in a rush and everyone needs to drive carefully here. And now we need to take a U-turn, so we have to start to switch lanes as well. If we miss it, I don't know where we are gonna end. Maybe somewhere near the Boulevard City, Boulevard World. But inshallah we will make it. We will take the U-turn. Okay, yeah, we almost made it. It wasn't that difficult. I thought the map was actually making it look crazy. And in front of us is the King Abdullah Financial District. I think most of these people were following the map here. Now we take the right. Okay, yes, we take this right. Wow. .4 kilometers left and 12 minutes. Look at this beautiful BMW ahead of us. MashaAllah. In Riyadh, it's super hot during the day and it's also quite dry. Anyways, we just keep on going. This is the CAFD road, King Abdullah Financial District road. Now the road that we are on, the speed limit here will be 90 and it's saying we have to go straight. No, we move towards our left because we don't want to go back into CAFD. So here we are merging onto this road. road that leads to Makkah Road. This is actually this also leads to the Takhasusi Street. This is that road. We'll continue straight on this. Roadworks ahead to 50 meters. Okay, we shall be mindful of that. So we just passed over the Al Thumama Road. Now we are on the Takhasusi Street. Here the speed limit is 80, so we shall stay in the speed limit as usual. And I saw another branch of Lorenzo Pizza. Interesting. By the way, if I go straight, I'll go to Muhammadiyah, and if I go over there to pay first, then I will have to. What should I do? Should I change plans? Should I go home and come there later? Not sure, but well, I think I should go to my home because here there's a lot of traffic and it will take quite some time. So let's see if we can. Okay, I'm still open to make a decision. Let's see. I think it's better we just pay off what is due, because obviously that day they also forgot to charge me, and I also forgot to pay them for the additional stuff. So I think we have to go there. There's a lot of traffic and we are a part of this traffic. What do you think about the traffic in Riyadh? Wish Raikum. So our drive is 9 minutes remaining. The road that is intersecting in front of us is the Imam Saud Road. And in front of us we have a GMC Yukon SLE. Interesting. Now we take a right from here. Okay, please let us turn right. Yeah, here we go. Now we are gonna go to the desert city, King Saud University. On our right we have the digital city. Okay, we shall visit it sometime. Right now we are on a mission, and our mission is clear. We have to pay what is due. Oof. Driving in Riyadh is full of adventures and, well, unexpected stuff, honestly. Now where do we go from here? We take the overhead bridge. Now we are in the King Saud University. Look at that monument. It's monumental. Nice. A G-Wagon. Got to take a ride from here. Check out the scenes from King Saud University. It says 1957, established 1957. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure if it is established in 1957, but the year there was 1957. So we are cruising down the road here. And well, we are. What a drive. Wow, look at these scenes. The drive here is actually so smooth. We have to turn right. So I actually saw a guy. He's cleaning the roads here in this heat. I was thinking of giving him money and I'll try to make a U-turn. So I come back. For that we'll have to go from here. I think they have a U-turn over here. Very convenient, yeah. Let us make a turn from here. I hope the guy is still there. In the meanwhile, I'll take the money out, and this is not for any show off or anything like that. It's just that I'm recording these drives, but this stuff I'm alhamdulillah already doing before. So let's see. Let us take a double. Yeah, there is the guy. Thankfully his face isn't on the camera. Hey भैया, कैसा दिन गुजरा? ये आपके लिए है मेरी तरफ से. ओके, खुश रहो. थैंक यू, शुक्रिया. These guys, see, they are, I mean, like, since I know how is it like to work in the scorching sun. Obviously I work at a site as well, but I have a good job, alhamdulillah. That's something else. But these guys, they are doing this cheap labor. Obviously they have to make their ends meet, and that's why they have to do these sorts of jobs. So, well, may God bless them for all the effort that they are doing in keeping up all this infrastructure and all this. Although he seemed like a part of the university staff, but still the thing is that these are places that we should hold in high regard. These universities, these madaris, I think that's what's it called in Arabic, madrasa. Yeah. So, well, people serving these prestigious educational institutions, they also should be valued. I think teacher definitely has a more respect, but all these guys, the administrative staff, the cleaning staff, all this one, they also put in a lot of effort for all of this educational infrastructure to just stay up and function. So, well, the thing is, now I have to go to Darsin and I have to pay them. We'll take a U-turn from here. Min Hina Al Doran Min Hina. Okay, let's go. Give us space. Yeah. On your right, you'll see some street vendors. Like in the night, they will spring up. I love these places. I've been here several times. I've bought from them. They are like selling some really good stuff. Have to take a U-turn from there. I believe that yeah, we can take a U-turn from there. It's open. There's no traffic light on the U-turn. Red light, green light. What a beautiful land. It was a Range Rover that we passed by. On my left will be the Darsin restaurant, and I must say it's very Interesting. Their dishes were tasteful when I tried it last time, and they actually got taste, honestly. Their shawarma, I think, is the best that I've tasted here in Riyadh. Oh my goodness, the chicken, it was so well cooked, although it was not very tender, but like it was really perfect. Okay, so here we are yet again at Darsin's. QB burger, toastable, infuse. There's some brunch places, some coffee shops, Unwan Al Gahwa. I've been to some other branches of this very same coffee shop. I wouldn't say it's anything extraordinary, but well, it's just fine. So should we park here or in front of the yeah, in front of the restaurant? Here we go, Darsin's restaurant. I might have some quick lunch over here, and also then I will also pay them, and I'll have some tea as well. What's up, people? So I am at the Darsin restaurant, and the thing is that I should have shown you the shawarma croissant before, a croissant shawarma, and then I also ordered a tea and I paid for what was due. It's actually here down below, but I'm done with it because I was on a call and I forgot to record for you guys. But this is the interior of the restaurant. Wonderful place, Darsin restaurant. Well, now I'm gonna go back. We'll see each other later. Have a blessed one.